Hey guys, welcome to Duck Diecast, and in today's video I have a special car. Like, I don't really buy these types of manufacturer makes, but this is definitely an interesting Exoto. As you can tell, racing legends right there. Okay, so we shall get into this. It's a little bit tricky getting this open just because there's a flap lock to get to the flap itself, and there you have it. It's a Cobra Daytona Coupe, so it's a pretty awesome car, and as always it comes in two boxes. There's this business reply thing, and then the secondary box. There you go. Got some silica gel in there. And then we have these two locking pieces. There we go. It also has this nice like parchment paper feel to this paper, just so it's not abrasive. It's a pretty nice car actually. So yeah, let's take this out of its styrofoam base, and it is not attached to anything at all, so I could just basically lift it up and we are good to go. It's got a lot of weight to it. It's pretty heavy. Alright, time to put it on the rotating display and let's see how it goes. Okay, so now that the car is out, the color is amazing. It does need a little bit of cleaning, so I'm definitely going to make a cleaning video for this one. It seems like most of the pieces they look very tactile. For example, this gas cap here, I thought you could actually like lift it up from the looks of it. I mean, it doesn't, but it does look like you can lift that hinge up for some reason. And then we have so many separate pieces. This is a separate piece. This is a separate piece. This is a separate piece. Like, it's endless. Yeah, like the detail, the fine detail of this car is amazing. And obviously all the vents are actually vents. There's no shortcuts here. This is mesh wiring right here. So yeah, every inch of this car is absolutely meticulously copied. And yeah, like it's just an amazing replica. Okay, so moving on, we do have some headlight lenses here that are covered. Again, amazing detail. Like, if we look at those headlights, we see these tiny amber as well. Those tiny amber lights inside. That's amazing. Have this nice big vent right here, and we see two more lights underneath. Looks like fog lights or something. So I did double check with the wheels, and I was hoping that we could do some in-depth under the wheel detail, like brakes and whatnot, or suspension and taking off the wheel. Unfortunately, this model does not have the wheels come off. So we do have some nice side exhaust detail, and just to mention, it comes both ways. Very, very nice. Only one windshield wiper on this guy. And then we have the rear. Like, the rear is, I'd say, the best part about this model. It's just a pretty cool shape. I just love that shape, and we can see the granny flap there. Okay, the coolest thing about this is there is a California license plate on it. I'm just gonna lift it up to show you guys. That's super cool. So that's, I don't know, like, such a cool thing to add on there. Okay, so as we can see, and as I mentioned before, unfortunately we cannot take the wheel off, so it is what it is, but nonetheless, still an amazing model. And just look at the detail, there's even a valve stem there. Awesome wheels. I love that old school tri-spoke center lock that's going on there. Nice period correct Goodyear decal, and if you look closer, there's like a nice blue line that runs all across the diameter of the tire wall. Got some nice meaty tires, and then on the rear here, significantly larger diameter in tires. Looks like the tires are big, but the diameter of the wheel itself is the same. I don't know, looks like it, hey? But yeah, basically similar. Too bad we can't see more of that suspension. And we also have, yeah, that awesome tread. Okay, now for the underside. As you can see, this is a very old Exoto model, 1997. Shows the serial number right there as well, A6185. We see a few cool details on the suspension. Some air ducts leading to cool the brakes. Those black things right there. So yeah, it's a pretty cool model, and it's, I want to say it's really dang heavy. Yeah, lots of key details here. Just so cool. To mention with the suspension, I noticed that the suspension on these models do not work. So again, another unfortunate thing that they weren't able to add, but that's okay. Okay, so let's start with the front. I just want to show you guys how crazy this opens. It reminds me of the other Exoto that I have, which is the Mark II 4GT. So it's so amazing when you open it up. It is being held by those chains right there. It's tiny chains right there. Such a cool feature to see. It's not like some weird plastic hinge or whatever. It's actually a bunch of chains that holds it together. So cool. And then we see more of the detail of the exhaust right here on the side that goes out and is seen on the exterior of the car. And again, it goes on both sides. See the battery. Such a cool model. It's amazing. Crazy detail. Alright, let's get to this door. It's hard to open. I have to use my finger here. Again, I don't mind using my hands on this one just because it does need a cleaning. So yeah, we see some more detail. The hinge there. See more detail. Oh my goodness, that interior is very detailed. There's even a logo in the middle, and a bunch of gauge clusters. Center console is also detailed. See the shifter. The seat is evidently plastic, but it's not too bad. Let's see if we can check out more on the other side. Oh, this one's opened up way better. Okay, we see the e-brake now. You also see a fire extinguisher right there, just taking so much space on the passenger side. That's hilarious. Yeah, we see pretty much a bare door card for weight savings, I assume. And I thought this is pretty cool too. It's such a small thing to see, but I like how this opens up as well. For the spare wheel and tire. Wouldn't it be cool if you can actually like open this up and actually take the tire off? That'd be so cool. And then you could just replace tires all the time, like just for fun. Yeah, such a cool model. And here's a closer up of the license plates here. And it looks like it's actual metal as well. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.